In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends on Steam. If you want to play games together, chat more easily, or simply build your friends list, Steam makes the process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to do, so you can send a friend request quickly and without confusion. To begin, open Steam on your computer and look toward the bottom right corner of the window. There, you'll see the Friends and Chat option. Go ahead and click that. This opens Steam's social panel, which is where you can manage conversations, see who's online, and of course, add new friends. If you never used this section before, don't worry. This is the right place. Once the Friends and Chat panel opens, look for the Add a Friend button. It's usually marked with a small person icon and a plus sign, which makes it easy to recognize. Click that to move to the friend adding screen. This section is specifically designed for sending invitations, so everything you need should be right in front of you. On this screen, Steam will show you your own friend code, along with a field where you can enter someone else's friend code. Your friend code is unique to your account and can be shared with others if you want them to add you instead. For this tutorial though, the main thing you need is your friend's code. Make sure the code is entered carefully, since even a small mistake can send the invite to the wrong account or prevent it from working. After you've entered your friend's friend code into the field, click Send Invite. That will send a friend request directly to that person through Steam. Once they accept your invitation, they'll appear in your friends list and you'll be able to chat, see their online status, and invite them to games more easily. If the invite doesn't seem to go through, it's a good idea to double check the code for any typing errors. Also, make sure you're using the correct friend code and entering it in the proper field before clicking Send Invite. And that's all it takes to add friends on Steam. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and using friend codes is one of the easiest ways to connect with other players. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.